Is it sunny today? Is it raining? Do you want to talk about the weather in English? Let's learn together. Welcome to Leo English Channel. Today's topic is weather. Simple, fun, and important. Let's begin. Hello, my dear friend. I'm Leo, your English teacher and guide. Today, I will help you learn English about the weather. We will talk slowly and clearly, using easy English. This lesson is for A1 and A2 learners, beginners. So don't worry, just listen and enjoy. Let's start. Part 1. What's the weather like today? Today, the weather is sunny. The sky is blue, and the sun is shining. It is warm and bright. There are no clouds. I like sunny weather. I go outside. I walk. I feel happy. Sometimes the weather is cloudy. There is no sun. The sky is gray. It feels cold, but it's okay. And sometimes the weather is rainy. It rains all day. I stay home and drink tea. Rainy days are quiet and peaceful. Part 2. Talking about the weather in English. Let's learn some useful words. Sunny. The sun is out. Rainy. It is raining. Windy. The wind is blowing. Snowy. Snow is falling. Cloudy. The sky has clouds. Stormy. There is thunder and lightning. Hot. The temperature is high. Cold. The temperature is low. Cool. A little cold. Warm. A little hot. These words help us describe the day. Part 3. Weather in different seasons. There are 4 seasons. Spring is cool. Sometimes it rains. Flowers grow. Summer is hot and sunny. People go to the beach. Autumn is cool and windy. Leaves fall. Winter is cold. Sometimes it snows. I like spring. It is fresh and green. What season do you like? Part 4. Weather around the world. In my country, the weather is different every month. In summer, it is hot. In winter, it is cold and snowy. In the morning, it is cool. At night, it gets colder. In other countries, the weather can be very different. Some places are hot all year. Some places rain a lot. Some places never get snow. Weather changes. That's why we always ask, "What's the weather like today?" Part 5. My daily routine and the weather. The weather changes my day. When it's sunny, I go outside. I walk in the park or go shopping. When it's rainy, I stay inside. I drink tea, read a book, or work on my computer. When it's cold, I wear a jacket and warm clothes. When it's hot, I wear light clothes and drink cold water. The weather is important. It tells us what to wear and what to do. Part 6. How to practice weather vocabulary. Let me give you some tips. 1. Every morning, look at the sky and say the weather in English. It is sunny. It is cold. 2. Watch weather reports in English. You can search today's weather in English. 3. Use weather words in your diary. Write, today is windy and cool. 4. Talk to your friends. Ask them, how's the weather in your city? 5. Listen to this video again and repeat after me. You can do it. Today, you learned English about the weather. You heard many simple words: sunny, cold, windy, rainy. You learned how to describe the day. That's amazing! Keep practicing every day. Repeat this video many times. Each time, your listening gets better and better.